Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can join Blackpink Jump new TikTok trend using CapCut. Okay, let's get started. First of all, you can open up your CapCut application on your mobile phone, and then to join the trend, we're going to use CapCut template. So I'm going to go to the templates menu here, and then I'm going to search for Jump Blackpink transition trend. Okay, and then there will be some templates that you can use, and then you just need to choose one of them. For example, guys, I'm going to choose wait, let's try this one. Okay, let's take a look at first. Okay, I'm going to use this template, and then I'm going to replace the photos in the template with my photos. I'm just going to pick random photos from my gallery. Okay, we need 8 items, and I'm going to click on next. All right, and then I'm going to apply it. Wait, let me play it. Sorry. And I'm going to replace this photo because it's doubled. If you want to replace the photo, just click on replace, and then you can select your photo. Wait, sorry. I'm going to click on replace, and then I'm going to replace it. Wait, let me find the photo. Okay, click on replace. Okay, it's not duplicated, but it's based on the template, so I'm going to play it. Okay, sorry, I cannot play the music because it will be copyrighted, so I'm just going to show you the video. Okay, and I think it's done, and then I'm going to click on export here. And if you want to remove the watermark from your video, you can select export without watermark, and then you can choose the aspect ratio, and I'm going to choose this ratio. Sorry, not aspect ratio but resolution. You can choose the resolution, and then you can click on export without watermark, and after that you will be able to share it to your TikTok. Okay, now the video is being exported. Okay, and we will be able to share it to TikTok or Instagram. Okay, and then I need to allow access to TikTok, but I'm not gonna upload it now, so I'm just going to go back, and I'm going to play it here. Okay guys, and that's all the way to join the Blackpink Jump new TikTok trend using CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.